like
It's still like
27.
19 pounds. 20.
Exactly. With carbon rims, carbon everything.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
So it's probably just under 20 without the tube in the back. But that's with bottle cages, pedals,
Yeah.
and all the stuff bikes normally aren't
And these
with.
little rubber things, the boots. Those add a good like.
This bike is epic, dude.
Yeah, but when you ride this bike in the forest, then you start realizing, because it accelerates so quickly,
Yeah.
how fast a 20-pound mountain bike can be.
Yeah.
Insanely fast.
Like you said, you keep up with the full suspension guys, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Well, I kill them on the way up. I keep pace on the way down.
Yep.
You know, the couple drops and stuff I have to either slow down for.
Sure.
Or,
What I'm really tripping is how skinny the seats
Yes.
are. Those are.
Oh my gosh. Epic. And those rims, oh my god.
So these tires are probably twice the weight of like a regular road tire.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, these are 36 millimeter.
Oh, that's
tread.
wide.
Well, and they have a tread on them too.
Yeah.
These road bike tires don't have a tread. So that's where all my weight's coming from in this. If I put road bike tires on this thing, it goes down to 19 pounds.
Oh yeah, easily. That is a beautiful bike. Oh my god.
Fun.